Hero Electro is an Indian bicycle brand specializing in electric bicycles. They are one of the largest and most successful e-bicycle brands in India. They have different models for various riding needs and types of riders. From their commuter range, we got to review the Hero Electro C8 700C 7-speed, and here is what we thought. The Hero Electro C8 is built on a 6061 full alloy frame. The frame geometry is comfort focused with a slanting top tube, which gives extra standover clearance for the rider. The Mode branded front suspension fork works smoothly and help make the rides less bumpy on rough roads. The commuter series of electric bicycles from Hero Electro are very well designed. They are sure to make heads turn while out on the road. The C8 comes in two color options, a metallic cyan blue and dark night grey. In the Hero Electro C8, the gloss finish paint job was top-notch in quality. The concealed battery in the down tube was neatly done, which enhances the design appeal of this electric bicycle. The C8 is powered by a 5.8 Ah lithium-ion battery, which is housed within the frame, and a 36-volt 250-watt brushless DC rear hub motor. The pedal assist has 3 modes, which can be operated from the controller placed on the handlebar. In the pedal assist mode, we got a mileage of up to 30 km per charge. In the throttle mode, which works with a grip type throttle, which is on the right side of the handlebar and gives you a maximum speed of 25 km per hour. In the throttle mode, we were able to get a mileage of up to 25 km per charge. The 5.8 Ah battery takes around 3 to 4 hours to charge from 0 to 100%. Unlike the other e-bicycles in the C series from Hero Electro, the C8 comes with a 7-speed drivetrain. The 7-speed gears help for exercise purposes and also to pedal easily if in case the battery power runs out during a ride. The gear shifting was basic and very easy to use. We experienced no lag while shifting. Brakes play a crucial role in e-bicycles. The stopping power for the Hero Electro C8 is handled by Promax branded mechanical disc brakes at the front and rear. The Promax disc brakes provided powerful stopping power during the test ride. Be it crowded city roads or wet roads, these brakes will help you come to a complete halt easily. The Hero Electro C8 rolls on a pair of 700 into 38C hybrid tires. These tires are slick and fast rolling, making them perfect for commutes and long distance rides. The double wall alloy rims were strong enough to handle vibrations of the surface and also contributed to reducing the overall weight of this electric bicycle. This is a hybrid electric bicycle built on a full alloy 6061 frame with comfort-focused ride geometry with quality electric components. The 7-speed gear system, powerful disc brakes and fast-rolling tires add to the overall appeal of this e-bicycle. The Hero Electro C8 700C 7-speed is an ideal choice for anyone looking to buy an e-bicycle for commuting and leisure rides.